Is Python interpreted or compiled? Python program is first compiled and then interpreted, but the compilation phase is hidden from the programmer. C Python is the compiler and the interpreter. It is called C Python because it is written in C language and Python, hence called C Python. I have written this code day1_1.py. In this program, I am printing two statements. First one is hello everyone and second one is welcome to Python program. Let me execute this. So this is the output. Hello everyone and welcome to Python program. So let me see the directories now. I'm not finding any compiled file because as per the design of the Python, it is hidden from the programmer. But we can generate the compiled Python file. So for that, we need to import py_compile and compiles the function. Here I'm trying to compile this program day1_1.py. So let us execute this. Okay, now let's check the directories. So if you see, this folder has been created. Let me open this folder, dir. So if you see, this is the file generated. This is with extension pyc. It's a compiled Python file. Day1_1 is the file name. CPython is your compiler, and 311 is the version of that compiler. So if I open in the folder level, you can see the type is compiled Python file. Now let us understand this diagrammatically. So first, I have written this program. Print hello everyone, print welcome to Python. This is the program name, day1_1.py. Now I'm compiling this C Python. So this bytecode will be generated. This is the file name d1_1.cpython 311.pyc. It's platform independent. Platform independent means if I try to run this Windows, because this is generated in Windows, if I try to run this same program in Macintosh or Linux, it will run without any errors. So let's see if I try to run it over here, what will be the output? It is same. Hello everyone, welcome to Python program, right? Now comes your interpreter phase. So this is after this phase, your program will become platform dependent. So it will be passed to the PVM, which is the Python virtual machine. It's an engine which will convert your bytecode into machine understandable instruction, and this will be passed to the CPU.